Hello, namaste, namaskar, adab, vanakkam. Welcome to my kitchen, Bachelor's Bawarsi Kitchen. So everybody might be thinking what I'm gonna prepare today. So I'm preparing today mango cheesecake. It's no bake and eggless cake. So if you wanna know this recipe, please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe my channel. And let's start preparing our mango cheesecake. First, to prepare the mango cheesecake, I need a base. To make that base, I'm using some digestive biscuits. So I have just made a nice. I just scrambled them, and now I'm gonna, with the help of a rolling pin, I'm gonna make with this fine powder. Two biscuits. So this is going to be our base of the cheesecake. So here I have taken to the bowl. This is a cake mold. I have directly taken into the cake mold, and into this I'm adding the butter, melted butter, and it is salted. Just give a nice mix. So I have mixed my biscuit granules and butter nicely. So now it's time to press them so tight so that it gets nicely stick to the bottom. So if you see here, I have nicely pressed the biscuit granules like this. So now this is going into the fridge, and I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for almost 30 to 60 minutes. So now let's keep it in the fridge. So this is a veg gelatin. Why we are using this? Because to hold the structure of the cheesecake, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and just pour the cold water so it nicely set. And this is how I wanted my gelatin. Now I'm gonna put this in the microwave and take it out. If you don't have an oven, you can take this in a pan and heat it in the pan. My gelatin has been liquidized, and it came out of the oven, so I'm keeping it aside so it can be cooled for a couple of seconds. Cream cheese, it's almost 200 grams, 200 to 250 grams. Into this I'm adding fresh cream, just 1 cup of sugar. This is a cup which I have taken. Beat it. Give a bit of vanilla essence to this. If you have a vanilla beans, you can extract from it, and just give a whisk one more time. This I'm adding the mango pulp. I have taken Alfonso mangoes. Give a mix once again nicely so that our mango gets incorporated. Now my gelatin has been cooled. I'm adding gelatin to this. Gently beat it. So my cheesecake mixture has been ready. So once my base has been cooled down, I'm gonna pour this into the base, and I'm gonna freeze it for almost 6 hours, or you can go for overnight also. So that will give you more nice taste. Took out my cake pan from the fridge. It has been nicely hardened. So now it's time to add the mixture. Just there are no air bubbles in it. So there you go. It has been nicely into the mold. Now it's time to keep in the fridge for almost 6 hours or overnight. Here I am taking a mango puree and adding gelatin into this. So this is gonna be like my top layer of my cheesecake. So nicely beat it. So I have mixed my mango puree and gelatin. So once, at least wait for another 2 hours. Once it is done, you can add this on the top layer, so that it's going to become nice mango layer on top of it. It's almost after an hour. Right now it's quite stable. So onto this I'm gonna pour my gelatin and mango puree, so that it's gonna become one more layer on top of it. Poured my gelatin and mango mixture. So right now I'm gonna put it in the freezer, back in the freezer again for almost 6 to 7 hours. So there you go, our mango cheesecake is ready. So it's been almost 6 hours. I have kept in the refrigerator and I have taken it out, and if you see, it's so jelly and nice, and the bottom is very tough. So it's time to serve into the plate. So if you like my recipe, please try this recipe at your place and give your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for many more yummy delicious recipes like this. So please watch this recipe and subscribe to my channel, and try this recipe at your place. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye, tata, kudafis.